Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have something truly special for all the car enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the Ferrari F80, a futuristic hypercar concept that pushes the boundaries of design, performance, and innovation. Get ready, because this is going to be an exciting ride. Starting with the exterior, the Ferrari F80 is nothing short of breathtaking. Designed by Adriano Ralli, this concept hypercar takes inspiration from Formula One and aerospace engineering. The aggressive and aerodynamic bodywork features sharp lines, a low slung stance, and massive air intakes that enhance both aesthetics and performance. The sleek LED headlights and the signature Ferrari grille give it a menacing look, while the sculpted rear with a unique split-wing design optimizes aerodynamics. This car is designed for maximum downforce and minimal drag, making it a true masterpiece in automotive engineering. Moving to the interior, the Ferrari F80 is just as stunning on the inside as it is on the outside. The cockpit is designed with a fighter jet-inspired layout, focusing entirely on the driver. High-quality carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather are used throughout, ensuring a perfect blend of luxury and performance. The minimalist dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance data. The steering wheel is packed with controls, similar to an F1 car, allowing the driver to manage various driving modes and settings effortlessly. The seats are lightweight yet extremely supportive, ensuring maximum comfort during high-speed runs. When it comes to performance, the Ferrari F80 is in a league of its own. Under the hood, this beast is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain combining the twin-turbo V8 engine with the Cur's kinetic energy recovery system, producing an astonishing 1,200 horsepower. With this power, the F80 is projected to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.2 seconds and reach a top speed of 310 miles per hour. Ferrari's cutting-edge aerodynamics and lightweight materials further enhance its performance, making it one of the most advanced hypercars ever designed. As for the price, since the Ferrari F80 remains a concept, there's no official price tag. However, if Ferrari were to produce it, the estimated cost would be around $2.50 to $3 million, making it a rare and exclusive machine reserved for the elite. That wraps up our review of the Ferrari F80. Let me know in the comments what you think about this insane hypercar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car reviews. See you in the next video.